Boeing, they won a big contract to build a Navy drone. Boeing shares have been pretty much riding high. You like it?
No, I do like Boeing. I think the reality of what's happening with drones and artificial intelligence in general, the fact that we have President Trump is spending more money on defense will absolutely benefit.
That's one thing we might agree on today.
We built the bridge.
I like
for
Boeing
is
Boeing
rides on the headlines every day of whether we're going to have a trade deal with China or not, because that and Caterpillar, those types of stocks are always the trade, the proxy for trade headlines. And so it's been a rough ride for Boeing, but I think the fundamentals are excellent.
The one thing is, though, that stock had made new highs before the S&P did, and any stock that is moving ahead of the market, which Apple did, Amazon did, and Boeing is one of them too, is a good buy. So any stock that's moving ahead of the market is extremely bullish, even more so. So those are the stocks that you want to look for. Microsoft too, that you want to get in and go long. They're moving ahead of the market.
Okay. Do you own Boeing, by the way?
No.
You don't
But I'm telling you what I like.
Okay.
Microsoft.
First day. Second day. Sorry. Second day. Okay.